particularly one judge threatening the peace of this state.
My Nigeria, I don't bring no bunga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a story we say it just happened.
The 16 northerners they will say they put for inside Uromi, Edo State because of say they suspect them say they be kidnappers and they don't finally come bury them on Saturday will be March 29, 2025.
Kan saboda ba za su yi mutum ɗaiɗaiɗai ba saboda yawansu.
After we rumor come out say the FCT minister will be Nyesom Wike say for collapse and in day for coma, but the SSA to the FCT minister will be later Olayinka don't come out come talk say na lie say because Nyesom Wike be inspect project reach around that kind 5 p.m. that on Friday will March 28, 2025 where they carry talk say in for collapse. The Bayelsa State governor will be Governor Doye Diri don't come out on day one saying no want people then to host the FCT minister for inside Bayelsa State too. I think call order say make all the public place them say make nobody release and give anybody for any hosting say unless say na the state government na approve.
The minister is not from Bayelsa State. This is not FCT. This is Bayelsa State. All service commanders should be at alert. That meeting must not take place in Bayelsa State.
Because of the inaugural wey happen between Dangote and NNPC, as NNPC can stop to the sell crude oil, they give Dangote in Naira. The thing can affect the MRS filling station as they can increase their fare from 860 Naira per litre to 930 Naira per litre for inside Lagos and also for outside Lagos. Now 960 Naira, now they sell them for outside Lagos. And on March 28, 2025, and they change this their price. Some area youth don't come provoke for these herdsmen. They will say they carry plenty of their cattle come enter inside their area. As the youth they come they provoke, they want them. Say they don't want to try see them again. They carry their cow come they waka for inside their community. Senator Shehu Sani don't shokutalize as in talk say visit one hospital for inside Abuja as in see say 85 of the sick people that we did there now men come they talk say the ones that we say that the sick say they did 40 and above and they get prostate cancer come they talk say this kind of sickness is saying a big problem for inside Nigeria. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission don't declare Aisha Suleimani Achumugu wanted because of money laundering and some criminal acts, and according to what they talk, say Achumugu they secretly they thiftalized money for Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar during the 2023 general election. The Delta State Calabar Police Command don't come out contact say they don't arrest the manager of the Century Home Hotel where they for inside Iwologbo community for Isoko North local government area of Delta State and some other 3 suspects to them. Say because they go buy one man will lodge for inside the hotel where the man named now Sunday will go photo. As they come they talk, say the 3 suspects them say they promised the manager 5 million naira if he go allow them they enter inside the room where Mr. Sunday take lodge. As they come enter inside the room, come utilize Mr. Sunday. Plenty people don't come they run for their life for inside Abuja as Kasala don't happen for inside Abuja on a Friday, March 28 as members of Islamic movement will be shouting don't come join head go jam Nigerian army as Kasala come boss do we say that they do their rally for inside Abuja for Wuse to Barnes roundabout. The Kano State High Court on Friday don't sentence one woman named Fadila Adamu to Ufin say because she go brutalize her best friend 8 years old daughter where the girl named Aisha Sane and I don't know where say Aisha they come back from school. Now so Fadila conquer Aisha control where her take put for inside well we make Aisha take brutalize. The Edo State Calabar Police Command the don't start to the arrest suspect then we say they join body take brutalize the 16 northern men them we say that they travel and they carry gun and they say they be hunter and they be and this begin happen for inside Uromi, Edo State.
Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.